Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the shape, remove the background, select the erase color. Then select another shape, remove the background, select the erase color. Then select a shape, change the color, save the shape, select the erase color, the color white, select the 3D shape, change the background color, duplicate the shape, select the color filter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.